To start a successful home bakery business, focus on thorough planning, including developing a menu and niche, understanding legal requirements, and setting realistic pricing. Then create a dedicated baking space, build an online presence for marketing, and establish excellent customer service. Finally, consistently deliver high-quality products and learn to manage order capacity and customer expectations effectively. In this video, we are going to talk about how to start home bakery. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Why start a home bakery? First, why a home bakery? There are several great reasons. Starting a bakery from home means you can keep your startup costs low compared to opening a full bakery shop. You get the flexibility to work from home and set your own hours, which is perfect if you need to balance baking with other responsibilities. Plus, you can turn your passion for baking into a real source of income. People love the personal touch that home bakers offer. Custom cakes, cupcakes, cookies, breads, all made with love and care. There's a growing market for homemade artisanal baked goods, and your business can tap into that. Research and planning. Before you start baking, you need a solid plan. Begin with market research. Ask yourself, who is your target customer? Are you baking for families, local cafes, or special events? What types of baked goods are popular in your area? You might find demand for gluten-free items or personalized birthday cakes. Also, check out your competition. See what they offer and think about how you can do it differently or better. Next, create a business plan. Define your products, decide on pricing, set sales goals, and plan how you will market your business. Marketing could include social media, word of mouth, or partnerships with local businesses. Don't forget legal considerations. Research local laws about running a food business from home. You may need specific licenses or permits, and you'll want to ensure you follow health and safety regulations carefully to keep your customers safe. Setting up your baking space. Your kitchen will be your workspace, so it needs to be professional and efficient. Make sure your kitchen is clean and organized. Invest in good quality baking tools and appliances to help you produce consistent results. Label your ingredient storage so you can quickly find what you need and keep things neat. Think about your workflow. Arrange your space so you can move smoothly from one step to the next. Keeping detailed records of ingredients and batches will help maintain quality and troubleshoot if needed. Sourcing ingredients and supplies. Quality ingredients are key to delicious baked goods. Find reliable suppliers who offer fresh, high-quality flour, sugar, butter, and any specialty items you might need. Buying in bulk can save you money, but make sure you have proper storage to keep ingredients fresh. If possible, source from local or eco-friendly suppliers. This can be a great selling point with customers who care about sustainability and supporting local businesses. Developing your menu. Start by focusing on your specialties and best recipes. Offer a variety of items like cakes, cookies, breads, and pastries to appeal to different tastes. Consider including dietary options such as vegan, gluten-free, or sugar-free items, which can open your business to a wider audience. Price each item carefully, factoring in ingredient costs, your time, and what the local market will bear. Test your recipes thoroughly to ensure consistency in taste and appearance, and ask friends and family for honest feedback. Branding and marketing. How will people find and remember your bakery? Choose a catchy business name that reflects your style. Design a simple logo and think about your packaging. It should be attractive and professional. Create social media profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where you can post appealing photos of your products and share behind-the-scenes content. Network with local businesses such as cafes, event planners, or markets to get your name out there. Offering promotions or discounts for first-time customers can help attract your initial clientele. Selling and delivery. Decide how you will sell your baked goods. Will you take online orders, sell at local markets, or deliver directly to customers? Make ordering easy via phone, WhatsApp, or a website. Plan your delivery or pickup options carefully and make sure your packaging keeps your products fresh and intact during transit. Managing finances. Keep careful track of all your expenses and income. Separate your business and personal finances to make accounting easier. Set aside money for taxes and consider using basic accounting software or apps to help you stay organized. Reinvest your profits wisely to grow your business over time. Profit. Profit is the money you actually earn after covering all your costs, and understanding it is key to running a successful home bakery business. To calculate profit, start by adding up all your expenses, including ingredients, packaging, utilities like electricity and gas, and any delivery costs. Don't forget indirect costs such as marketing and equipment upkeep. Your selling price should not only cover these costs, but also leave you with some extra money as profit. For example, if it costs you $10 to make a cake, you might price it at $20, aiming to make $10 profit. It's important to track both your gross profit, which is sales minus direct costs, and your net profit, which subtracts all other expenses like marketing and taxes. Keeping close records helps you see which products bring in the most profit and where you might adjust prices or reduce costs. To increase profit, consider improving your efficiency, minimizing waste, or offering higher margin items like specialty cakes. Ultimately, profit is what allows your bakery to grow, pay you fairly for your work, and possibly expand in the future. So pricing thoughtfully and monitoring costs are essential. Overall bakery business. Starting a home bakery business is much more than just baking delicious treats. It's about building a dream from the ground up with passion, patience, and perseverance. While the journey may seem challenging at times, juggling recipe development, marketing, customer service, and financial management, it's also incredibly rewarding to see your ideas take shape and bring joy to your customers. Every successful bakery, no matter how big today, began with someone taking that first step, just like you. As you embark on this journey, remember that thorough planning and research are the foundation of your success. Understanding your market, identifying your niche, and developing a menu that highlights your unique strengths will set you apart from the competition. Equally important is establishing a professional and efficient baking space in your home, ensuring that quality and safety are never compromised. The ingredients you choose, the care you put into each product, and the way you package and present your baked goods will all contribute to the reputation you build. Financial management cannot be overlooked. Tracking costs, setting fair prices, and regularly reviewing your profit margins are critical to maintaining a sustainable business. By staying organized and disciplined with your finances, you'll not only ensure your bakery stays afloat, but also create opportunities for growth and expansion in the future. Marketing your home bakery is about telling your story and connecting with your community. Use social media to share your creations and your passion, network with local businesses, and listen to your customers' feedback to continuously improve. Building relationships with your customers creates loyal advocates who will spread the word and help your bakery flourish. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.